Hello everyone and welcome to the next session of Core Java. From this session, we will start the discussion about the file handling. What is file handling? File handling in Java allows us to perform read-write operations from a file. Now, why we need to read data from a file or why we need to write data in the file? Obviously, because we are going to write data into the file, we will need it to read from the file, right? What could be the need of writing data into the file? This is what we are going to first discuss about. When I'm developing any application, obviously I will declare certain variables which will hold certain data. That is the information. Now, whenever we have this particular variable available in our application, that data will be available with me till the application is being executed. Once the application execution is over, that data will be lost. If I need to refer to this particular data in future, that data needs to be available and I will have to develop an application which will be able to read that particular data. Now, when I say I need to develop an application to read that data, obviously the application will write data as well. So to preserve this data so that it can be referred in future when and where required, we can make use of file handling in Java and we can develop our application in such a way that we can perform read-write operations using Java programming language. How I will be able to develop applications in Java? There is a package named as java.io. This java.io has got predefined classes which help us to perform read-write operations to be performed in different formats with the files. So in preceding sessions, we will be discussing more about what is API and how to develop applications and so on. Thank you.